Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're making 5 incredible desserts that are so good you'll want to keep them all to yourself. We've got something for everyone, whether you're a chocolate lover, a caramel fanatic, or just craving something sweet and satisfying. Get ready to indulge because these recipes are next level delicious. First up, hot fudge ice cream bars. A buttery graham cracker crust, creamy vanilla ice cream, and homemade hot fudge. Crush 1½ cups of graham crackers, mix with 6 tablespoons of melted butter and a pinch of salt. Press into a 9 by 13 pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. For the hot fudge, combine 1 cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, and 1 cup of whole milk. Boil, then simmer for 5 minutes. Stir in a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of butter. Pour over the cooled crust and freeze for at least 4 hours. Once frozen, cut into bars and enjoy. Next, caramel apple toffee cake. A soft, moist cake with tender apples, gooey caramel, and crunchy toffee. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a 9 by 13 inch pan. Whisk together 1½ cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, ½ teaspoon of salt, and ½ teaspoon of cinnamon. Cream 1 cup of butter with 1 3/4 cups of sugar. Beat in 3 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Gradually add dry ingredients and 1 cup of buttermilk. Fold in 1½ cups of diced apples. Pour into the pan and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. For caramel, melt 1 cup of brown sugar with a 1/4 cup of butter, add ½ cup of cream, boil, then simmer for 2 minutes. Pour caramel over warm cake, sprinkle with 1 cup of toffee bits, and let cool before serving. Hot chocolate lasagna. Layers of chocolate cookie crust, creamy chocolate pudding, and fluffy whipped topping. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Combine 1½ cups of chocolate cookie crumbs with 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Press into a 9 by 13 inch dish and bake for 8 to 10 minutes. Whisk 2 packages of instant chocolate pudding, mix with 3 cups of cold milk. Spread over cooled crust. Beat 2 cups of heavy cream with a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar until stiff peaks form. Spread over pudding layer. Sprinkle with chocolate shavings or mini chocolate chips. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours. This dessert is rich and decadent. You've been warned. Atlantic Beach pie bars. Sweet and tart with a buttery cracker crust, tangy lemon filling, and fluffy meringue. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line an 8 by 8 inch pan with parchment paper. Combine 1½ cups of crushed saltine crackers, 6 tablespoons of melted butter, and a 1/4 cup of sugar. Press into the pan and bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Whisk together 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, ½ cup of lemon juice, 2 egg yolks, and a pinch of salt. Pour over hot crust and bake for 15 to 18 minutes. Beat 2 egg whites with a pinch of salt until stiff peaks form. Gradually add a 1/4 cup of sugar, beating until glossy. Spread meringue over hot lemon filling and bake for 10 to 12 minutes until golden brown. Cool completely before slicing and serving. Best enjoyed the same day. Chocolate butter gooey butter cake. Soft crust, gooey filling, and rich chocolate flavor. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a 9 by 13 inch pan. Combine 1 box of yellow cake mix, 1 egg, and ½ cup of melted butter. Press into the pan. Beat together 1 package of cream cheese, ½ cup of butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Gradually add 2 cups of powdered sugar. Whisk 1 cup of flour with ½ cup of cocoa powder. Add to cream cheese mixture. Pour filling over crust and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Cool completely before dusting with powdered sugar. This cake is rich and decadent. A little goes a long way. Outro. All right, guys, there you have it. 5 ridiculously delicious desserts that are guaranteed to satisfy your sweet tooth. I'm talking next level deliciousness here. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more awesome recipes and food challenges. I'm always cooking up something new and exciting, so hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Until next time, peace out. Peace.